Hello everyone, let me introduce myself, Nelo Kurniati, and my friend Dania Putri Maharani and Selvi Yulianti. We are from Accounting Class 21A. We are here to explain the material and style. Company legality and activities business. Understanding corporate legality. Corporate legality is an essential element in starting and running a business. Corporate legality means enable a company to abide legal protection in doing business, prevent legal extent potentially MR business, and assure the company with accessibility legal equipment. Benefit of corporate legality in business activities. Legal protection. Corporate legality allows firms to register, trademark, copyright, and patents to protect intellectual property rights. First, corporate legality helps firms avoid legal risks that claim potentially harder. So, as a legal dispute that might potentially consume a lot insurance and costs. Legal completes the legality of the company, ensure that the company completes with all enforceable legal requirements, so as government regulation, enforcement, law, tax, and other laws. By complying with the law, the company can avoid scams and fines that are potentially incidental to the business. Agreements to assurance and financing the legality of a company, allowing a company to access records and funding that might not be available to legality motivates business. For example, a company may apply to obtain a loan from a bank or obtain venture capital from an investor. Media promotion in the legality of a company can assure the level of consumer confidence in us of product markets by the company. This can affect an efforts in the venture of sales reimbursement by that company in the future.
The purpose of company legality in business activities. Number 1. Legal compliance. Company legality ensures that the company follow all applicable legal requirements, such as government regulation, labor law, tax, and other rules. By complying with the law, companies can avoid sections and fines that could potentially harm the business. Number 2. Legal protection. Company legality provides legal protection for companies in doing business. By having clear contracts and proper listening legalities, company can avoid legal protection that could potentially cost a lot of revenues and money. Number 3. Access to rescue and financing. Company legality allows companies to access rescue and financing that may not be available to an authorized business. For example, companies can apply for loans from banks or obtain venture capital from investors. Number 4. Enhance credibility. Corporate legality can extend a company credibility in the eyes of customers, business partners, and investors. By being legal, a company can give customer confidence that the business is run with integrity and according to set standards. 5. Open access to a broader market. Company legality can open access to wider markets and new business opportunity. By having legality, companies can expand their business reach and reach a wider market. In order to ensure long-term success, companies must prioritize legality and ensure that they follow all applicable legal requirements. By having strong business legality, companies can build a solid foundation for future growth and success. Legal document that the company must have. In Indonesia itself, there are several company legality documents that must be owned by the company, such as the deed of establishment, decree of the Minister of Law and Human Rights, taxpayer identification number, trade business license, company domicile certificate, company registration certificate, and other legality document depending on each type of business.
Okay, next, trading business license or SEUP. SUP is a license made by an entrepreneur, in this case trader, in order to be able to run his business. Person or entity that have a trading business must have a SUP or trading business license. The latter serves as proof or tool authorization of the business that is run. SEUP is issued by the regional government for business actors, individual or business actor that has been incorporated. The purpose of SEUP is meant to that the business you are doing now gets legalization and recognition from the government. This latter making is done to prevent problems that can interfere with the smooth running of the business in the future. SUP can be revoked if one obtained based on untrue or false information or data from the company concerned are not in accordance with the application for SUP request or request the documents, or conducting business that is not in accordance with the SUP. And two, the company concerned does not make improvements after exceeding the freezing deadline. And the last, the company concerned has been sentenced for violation of intellectual property right, violation, and or criminal based on a court decision that has been legally enforceable fixed. Compulsory company registration. Compulsory company registration have been regulated in Law Number 3 of 1982. The company register is an official source of information regarding the entity and matters about the business work and companies. In accordance with the 1945 Constitution, 1945 National Development of National Economic Activities, especially which is currently increasing. The law on compulsory company registration is very necessary. Company registration is very necessary. Protect the companies that conduct their business honestly and openly is one of the main objectives of the law on compulsory registration of companies is one of the main objectives of the law on compulsory company registration law. Extent for mandatory registration when every individual small company run by the entrepreneur himself or by employing only his own family members alone or by employing only members of his or her own family who are the close then does not require a business license and does not consist a legal entity or a partnership. The time of registration is 3 months after the company has finished its business running. That's all presentation from our group, and thank you.